Hey scholar, welcome to day 9 of being a badass in Precalculus. Today's question is about log functions, logarithmic functions. Alright, so if log n equals half of log r minus 2 log t plus log s, what is n? Alright, let's review some laws of logarithms, okay? If you have log of ab, okay, it's the same thing as saying log of a plus log of b. Okay? Then if you have log of a divided by b, is the same thing as log a minus log b. Okay? Then finally, if you have n log a, is the same thing as saying log of a to the power of n. Alright? So keep these three laws in mind. The multiplication law, multiplication equals addition, division equals subtraction, all right? Then the exponents, the power law for log, okay? N log a equals to log of n, a to the power of n, all right? We're going to use these three to answer this question, okay? So I'll just rub this off. All right, so now, we can rewrite this as log of n now to the question equals half of log r divided by 2 log t. We can rewrite this as what? This is subtraction. What subtraction equals what? Division, right? So log of r divided by 2 log t using the power law is what? T squared. All right? So we can do that. Then plus log s, all right? So plus log s now. Okay, remember when you are adding, what does that mean? It's what? Multiplication. But before that, we could still rewrite like this: equals log n equals half log r over t squared. This is, we could use the power law. All right, so this becomes log r over t squared raised to the power of half. Okay, plus log s, right? So that is, this is something as log square root of r, square root of t squared, because that's what half represents, right? Square root of r. Square root of t squared is just t. Then plus log s, addition is what? Multiplication, multiplied by s rather. All right? So log n equals what? Log of s root r divided by t, right? Then this can cancel out, so you have that n equals s root r divided by t. And that's the answer to the question. So remember the laws of logarithms that I wrote. Addition equals multiplication, division equals subtraction, and of course the power law for logarithm. All right? I'm sure you found value from this video. Please make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to share to everyone who you think may need this. And I'll see you in day 10. Thank you.